Yo, what up? Hey everyone, Ryan come back at you here with a new hobby box break that I haven't done before. This is Topps Chrome 2022 Cosmic, I believe this is called. You're going to find 4 exclusive black and white Ray Wave parallels per box. Okay. So we're getting 4 cards per pack, 16 packs per box, and then obviously lots of other varieties of things we could get on the back. So I've yet to see this opened, so bear with me, give me grace, and let's go. What's up? We're looking for exclusive Sonic Pulse parallels inside. We'll see. Okay. 4 cards, 16 packs. You know the routine. Let's go. And I guess I'm still on the hunt for Aaron Judge, as well as, okay, I'm now Cruz. Yeah, Aaron Judge and, why can't I think of it, Ball Goldschmidt. You have until March 31st at your local card shops for the base and parallel that come out of these products. To get, I think the base is $20, refractors and pinks I think are $40, and so on and so forth if you get either of those 2 players. I got a little stack I'm going to take at some point. Ooh. Contreras, hot box. Here's the first wave. So there's 5 in this pack. Boom, John Gray. Then not numbered, obviously, on the back. I think this retails at $75. So, again, if you're watching this and you're like, hey, Ryan, where can I get a good value rip so you have a chance of hitting some okay things? I'm sure some of the parallels in here do pretty well. $75 for a hobby box, hard to beat. Next one up, Trevor Story. This is weird because he was a Red Sox for a whole season. Maybe not a whole season, but not in his Red Sox uniform yet. Still repping 420. Here we go. That's cool. What is it? Youthquake. That's cool. Youthquake Suzuki for the Cubs. Not numbered. That's dope. Go Cubs. Zach Short, rookie refractor. Still waiting on 2. Yep, here's one of them. Spoke too soon. George Springer refractor. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Cronenworth. Okay, he's been haunting me in my breaks recently. Could be worse. Padres are pulling in a Brinks truck every day that ends in Y. Trying to buy that championship. Here's another wave. Last one. Austin Riley. Boom. Who we got? Blake Snell. Another Padre. All right. He haunted me a lot of 2022 as well. Getting 2 refractors out of here. That's uncommon. Fernando Tatis, Youthquake. Nothing PEDs can't fix. If you're quaking. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we're going to finish off with one. I think this is probably one of these Cosmic Okay, there's Tatis, Kershaw. There we go. Third base, Cubs. Patrick Wisdom, that's a cool freaking looking card. Cosmic, that's dope. Nice job, Tops. Numbered to 199. That's a sick parallel. First time I've ever seen one of these in person. Product's pretty new, so that's probably why, but well done. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already for content like this and more. And hope you're having a great rest of your day. Thanks for the view, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Deuces. Bye now.